Well, this video we got an awesome Bluetooth speaker. Let's get into it. All right, I'm going to show you the box. I always do. Box is open. Hopefully you can see all that. It says accessories inside, so don't throw that away. All right, here's the speaker. Pretty awesome. There's the controls up at top. Let's see what's in the box. The accessories. Charge cord and a book. USB to USB-C. Let me get this thing connected to my phone. And we got to play some copyright-free music that I downloaded from YouTube. There, check it out. Check out the hat. Awesome. That way I don't get a copyright strike because this is from YouTube. Same music I used when we did my truck speakers. Okay, I'm going to show you this feature here. You hit that button on the speaker once you have it connected to your phone. You hit that button on the speaker. I'll show you that button right there. And this speaker will connect to another speaker if you have any other speakers that has this function. Okay, I'm going to turn this thing on and let you. I'm going to hit the button and turn it on and let you hear it.
Battery full.
Okay, you see the lights on it? That's pretty cool. Of course, got a volume here. When you're hooked to your phone or connected to your phone, this turns your phone volume up and down. This thing sounds pretty good. I don't know if you can see the different colors on the lights. Pretty neat. Let's turn the extra bass on. Wow. As you can see, I'm hitting the volume button. You can see it turning the volume up. Turning the volume down. Let's see if we can play a different song. Go set it over there on my toolbox. Can you see that over there? It should be right there. Play a different song. I don't know how good you can hear it because it's got to come over here to my mic. So let me walk back over here and get it and bring it back over here. Thing sounds pretty good. It's got a pretty good bit of bass in it to be so little. See how this song sounds without the bass. Sounds better with the bass. Now I'm just going to flip through some songs and hold it near the mic. That way you can hear how it sounds, and then we'll go from there. These are all songs that's YouTube, from YouTube. No. Sure, I think we already heard that one. Let's go to the next one. We may have already heard that one too. Yeah. Everybody knows what that song is on, right? Should. I don't think it's really doing much justice for the lights that's on this thing. There's lights across here. On camera, they're not really picking up. Hopefully they really are when I edit the video. Yep, we've already heard that one too. Pretty good song. Just trying to give you some variety of songs to where I'm not going to get a copyright strike, but you can hear how the speaker sounds. We only got a couple left. It's not bad. I don't know about that one. The little speaker sounds good. Set it over here. You see it right there? And like I said, that's not even halfway up. You can also turn it up by your phone. See? If you just set it somewhere, like over on the toolbox, and just let it play while you're busy working on the car or truck or doing something in the garage just to have music in the background, this thing is awesome. And you can take it with you wherever you want to go. I am assuming charges right there in the end. I didn't pay for this. These people sent this to me to review, so this thing sounds a whole lot better than I thought it would. Let me figure out what this light does, and it just changes the color. Check that out. See if I can start a song. See if I can hit it, see what it does. The light button. Did it change? Yeah, it did. That's pretty cool. Orange, yellow, green. Pretty neat. I guess that's off. Pretty neat, right? I know you probably don't like that song. As you can see, power button, volume up and down, or that's down for volume and that's up, that's pause. As long as you still got it on the phone, pause and unpause, and then that's the lights. That's that button to connect to other speakers. That's your Bluetooth speaker or button, and then that's the extra bass. I'll show you what that sounds like. That takes the bass out of it, or most of it. So, this thing is pretty neat. Like I said, just keep it charged. Comes with a charge cord. Plug it in your car and keep it charged, and if you go like fishing or anywhere, out in the backyard, in the garage. You need some music, you don't have any, there you go. This is pretty awesome. I know it probably don't come across sounding too good through the mic of, you know, the camera, but in person it really sounds good. It really does. As long as you're within range, and it's got a pretty good range because it's Bluetooth, you can put this anywhere. And as long as you have your phone on you, you can change the song, you know, whatever you want to listen to. You can pause it without having to walk up to the speaker. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Like I said, I didn't pay for it. They sent it to me. Thank you very much for that. Oh, if you want to get one of these, just check the description like always. Down there. You know where it's at. And click on the Amazon link. Go to Amazon, get you one. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.